This is for my quarter four productivity rubrics. So this is for sharks. So for the one I believe I did good on was self-directed learner. So my first question is, how well did you manage your time and responsibilities this year? So obviously with me being gone for probably about half the year, I'd say I've done a pretty good job at getting everything done, turned in. Um, I managed my time and my responsibilities really good this year by being able to work on it during my empty class blocks, during times when I'm at home, a little bit on the drive home, or even just trying to not procrastinate as much as I usually do. My next question is, when did you take interactive or initiative in your learning, and what was the result? So, when I take initiative in my learning this year, it was mainly because I absolutely needed to, or I wouldn't have passed mostly. So, that was my initiative to get my learning done. The result, I would say it's been pretty good so far this year in Sharks. My research paper looks pretty good, definitely better than last year's. My wording's much better now. I've spent actually more time on it than last year as well, so I believe I did better on it since that. What strategies helped me stay focused and or organized? I didn't really have any strategies to help me stay organized. I really just had to get it out. I mean, I needed to catch up. That was really my motivation to get everything done, and I really didn't want to have to do all this again next year, so that was really my motivation to get everything done. For the one I did bad on was probably quality producer. So, what is the piece of work or project you're most proud of, and why? I'm probably most proud of my research paper, considering how much I have for the short amount of time I was here and being able to catch up on everything. Why I think it was my bad one was because of that, because I know if I did this good with the amount of time I had, what could it have been if I was here full time? I know it's not what it could have been because of that, but I also think my DLBs and ACEs could have been of a higher quality as well. How did you make sure your work was of a high quality? I wouldn't say it was really of a high quality. This is kind of always my weak suit, is being a quality producer. Always working on things. But I tried my best to get it as high of quality as I could with the time I had, being able to catch up on everything. And then, what would you improve on in your work habits or efforts next year? Next year, I'm definitely going to try to be here full time. I'm going to try not to procrastinate as much, which this year I haven't as much, at least in this quarter, because I haven't had time to. But really just do things as soon as I get try to do the best that I can and not just try to get it done. And yeah.